So let's do it. Hey, welcome back. This is a piece of cedar. It's roughly 10.5. I have a 3/8 hole drilled. That's what matches my worm drive. There was some checking on there, so I did fill it with some CA yesterday. This is that friction polish I used on the bowl that I'm giving away. If it gets some more views, we're running out of time. So go check out the win a bowl video. Share it around. It has to have 1,000 views or I can't give it away. Well, I mean, I could give it away, but this friction polish is shellac, boiled linseed oil. It's got just a little bit of wax in there and denatured alcohol. little more. Famous last words. Started at 180, went to 220, ended with 320 or 340 or whatever they're calling it. No, it's 320. I'm just gonna hang that on the floor. So there she is. All right. Quick and easy. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Oh, don't forget. Like I said, we're running out of time on this cedar bowl. Needs 1,000 views by the end of the month so I can give her away. So go check out that video. I'll put a link below and win a bowl.